Hello, my name is Joshua Poso and welcome to Inspiredfingers.net. So over the years, we have been inspiring lots of pianists across the globe, and one of the questions I get all the time is like, "Hi Josh, I love the way you play, I love the way you think, how do I play like you?" But there's something I always say to you: please try and be you, play like you, because that's how true mastery comes in. For sure, you can get ideas from someone that you love, someone that inspires you a lot anytime they play. And that's why I created this online piano community where you can get access to my thought process, my courses, my breakdowns, and step-by-step real-time applications to stuffs that I will show you. And they all come at a subscription rate, and it's for all level players, whether you're a beginner or you're intermediate or even pre-advanced. So please try and check it out and join the community. It will help you a lot. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there.